Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Maybach bounce. This unique feature, often called free driving mode, is part of the e-active body control system. It's primarily designed to help your vehicle get unstuck from challenging terrains like sand or mud by rapidly raising and lowering the suspension. Beyond its practical use, it also creates a distinctive, rhythmic motion that many find quite impressive. To activate this exciting feature, first navigate to the e-active body control menu on your Maybach central infotainment screen. Look for and select the option labeled Free Driving Mode or sometimes Bounce Mode. It's crucial that your vehicle is either completely stationary or moving at a very slow speed, perhaps less than 3 miles per hour. Once selected, confirm your choice, and the system will begin its rhythmic movement. The magic behind the Maybach bounce lies in its sophisticated e-active body control system. This advanced technology employs powerful hydraulic actuators positioned at each of the 4 wheels. These actuators can independently and rapidly adjust the suspension height, allowing the vehicle to raise or lower itself by several inches in a fraction of a second. This precise control generates the distinctive, rhythmic up and down motion you see. While the Maybach bounce is certainly impressive, it's important to use it responsibly. This feature is primarily intended for specific situations, like freeing your vehicle from soft terrain, not for general driving. Please avoid activating it at higher speeds or on public roads, as it's not designed for such conditions. Always refer to your Maybach's owner's manual for comprehensive instructions and important safety warnings to ensure proper and safe operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.